Oi lads, it's Donnie here. Today I bring you lot a lovely video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at which one of these numbers is larger. So I'm going to show you lot how to solve it and how to prove to yourselves which one is larger. Before we begin, please drop a like and subscribe, and let's get right into it then. So the first step is we are going to evaluate each one individually. We're going to calculate it. First, we have a is equal to 3 to the power of 99 exclamation mark or factorial. And on the b side, we're going to say that b is equal to 3 to the power of 99 excluding the factorial. So the way we have to do this is that if you use the calculator directly, what you lot are going to notice straight away is that you lot are going to end up with an error on your calculator. And the reason for this error that you lot get in your calculator is because the number is super large that it cannot calculate it. Your calculator. So therefore, we need to basically reduce it in a way that it's smaller and it's easier to compute. So let's do that. The first one I like to start with is with b. B is a lot easier to start with, so we're going to start with b. Right, so for b, we are going to apply logarithmics to make it a lot easier to solve and prove to ourselves which one is larger. So we're going to apply a line on both sides of this equation as shown before you. And when you have it written like this, what you are going to notice is that there's a lovely approximation that you can use, especially when you have ln 3 to the power of 99 factorial. And what do I mean by that is this rule right before you. We can basically approximate as ln of n factorial is actually somewhat equivalent, approximated to n ln of n minus n. And what's n in this case? Well, n is just simply 3 to the power of 99. So we're going to use this formula right here and replace n with 3 to the power of 99. And when we do that, we can rewrite it as shown on your screen before you. From this step on, we are just going to reduce it and simplify. So we are going to basically, since 3 to the power of 99 shows up not once, not twice, we are going to factor it out as shown on the screen before you. Then we got this to solve basically. We are then going to basically use the logs of logarithmics to move this exponent in front of the ln as a multiplication. And when we do that, we can write it as shown before you. So you can actually calculate this using a calculator. 3 to the power of 99 can easily be calculated as 1.718 times 10 to the power of 47. And this here too could be calculated by, and that's just going to equal to 107.76. So when you multiply these two numbers out, you are going to end up with ln of b is equal to 1.851 times 10 to the power of 49. So when you basically do Euler's number on both sides, you're going to get a very large number, and your calculator is not going to give you an answer. So therefore, we're going to leave it like this. And we know that logarithmic functions, they basically are always increasing. So we're going to just consider ln of b. Therefore, let's apply the same purpose or the same set of strategies for ln of a. So we're going to apply ln on both sides of this equation as we have done before. And what you are going to notice when you do this, we are going to then take this 99 factorial and move it in front as a multiplication using one of the laws of logarithmics. At this point, what you are going to notice is that 99 factorial, if you do that on your calculator, you are going to end up with an error. And the reason for it, it's just such a large number. But that's not good enough. On a test or on a quiz, if you need to prove it, you cannot just say it gives me an error and that means it's a super large number. You have to prove it. And the way I like to do it is, if you do 69 factorial on your calculator, what you are going to notice is that it's going to be a very large number. And if you multiply ln of 3, you are going to end up with 1.88 times 10 to the power of 98. So if we have 99 factorial, we can confidently say that it's going to be larger than 1.88 times 10 to the power of 98. And we can safely say that ln of a is greater than 1.88 times 10 to the power of 98. And looking at the exponents right over here and right here and comparing them, this one here is much larger, guaranteed. So therefore, 3 to the power of 99 factorial is much larger than 3 to the power of 99 excluded factorials. If you lot enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you lot later.